What if I told you that you don't need a new deposit for every property? What if one pot of capital you invite might, say £150,000, could be recycled into 4, 5, even 6 properties? And you didn't have to quit your job or spend weekends arguing with builders? Sounds impossible, right? In this video, I'm giving you a complete BRRRR masterclass, specifically designed for busy professionals and business owners who want to build wealth without building another job. Stay with me. This is the blueprint institutions use Galbraith, and I'm giving it away for free. Here's the problem with traditional property advice. Step 1, save a deposit. Step 2, buy one house. Step 3, waste 3 to 5 years. Step 4, save another deposit. Step 5, repeat. Maybe that worked 20 years ago when houses were £80,000. Today, or with inflation running hot, higher costs of living and property prices at all-time highs, that strategy is painfully slow. If you've already built up capital, whether through your career, business, or existing investments, your challenge isn't saving more. Your challenge is multiplying what you've already got without destroying your quality of life in the process. That's where BRRRR comes in. And that's what this masterclass is about. Stay with me until the end, and you're walking away with the 5 non-negotiable rules that make BRRRR work in today's market. A simple deal calculator you can use to evaluate any opportunity in under 5 minutes. The exact sequence from offer accepted to money back in your bank account. How to do this completely hands-off, even if you live on the other side of the world. This is the institutional approach to BRRRR, not the weekend warrior with a paintbrush version you see on YouTube. This is how serious investors with serious capital build serious portfolios. Let's start with the basics. Quick foundation. Buy. Below market value. In the right area R, refurbish. Add value through strategic improvements R, rent. Stabilize cash flow with quality tenants. R, refinance. Pull your capital back out. R, repeat. Deploy the same money on the next deal. The goal is beautifully simple. End up with a cash flow and asset while recovering most or all of your original investment. Do that repeatedly, and one deposit becomes a portfolio. Now let me show you exactly how to execute this at a professional level. Rule number 1. Buy for value, not for pretty. Amateurs buy with their eyes. Professionals buy with a calculator. When we're evaluating deals for our investors, we're checking, can we buy at a genuine discount to market value? Not just a good price, an actual verifiable discount. Is there a clear value-add opportunity? Can we improve layout, modernize, or better use the space? Is there strong rental demand? Verified by data, employment, transport, demographics, not guesswork. Are there multiple exit strategies? Sell, refinance, rent, HMO conversion? Never corner yourself. We're not looking for dream homes. We're looking for underloved assets with massive room to grow. Your sourcing team should be filtering through hundreds of properties and only showing you the short list that passes strict criteria. Your role, approve or decline. That's it. 1 hour of your time to review a deal pack. Not weekends scrolling property portals, getting emotionally attached to houses you can't afford to love. Rule number 2. The refurb is a financial lever, not an interior design project. Listen carefully. Refurbishment isn't about making properties Instagram-worthy. It's about turning 1 pound of spend into 2 to 3 pounds of value. A strategic refurb might include modernizing kitchens and bathrooms. These drive valuations more than any other rooms. Improving layouts. Can you add a bedroom? An extra bathroom? Better flow? Upgrading to modern standards. Electrics, heating, windows, insulation, elevating to top tier. Making your property stand out in the top 10 to 20% of rentals in that specific area. Now, here's what you're not doing. You're not getting quotes from builders. You're not picking grout colors. You're not visiting the site every Tuesday. Your project manager handles getting multiple competitive quotes, setting realistic timelines, managing all trades on site, weekly progress reports with photos and costs, final sign-off and compliance. You focus on outcomes and budgets. They handle execution. Done properly, a 10 to 12 week refurb can add 40,000 to 80,000 plus pounds to the property value. That's a 150 to 250% return on the refurb spend alone. That's a financial lever. Rule 3, rent like a professional, not like your Uncle Barry. Once the refurb is complete, it's time to stabilize income. That means professional property management. Not, I'll save a few quid and do it myself. A quality letting agent will market the property professionally. Great photos, compelling listings, multi-platform reach, screen tenants thoroughly. Credit checks, employment verification, references, right-to-rent checks, handle all legal documentation, tenancy agreements, deposits, compliance, collect rent automatically, chase in late payments so you don't have to coordinate maintenance, contractors on speed dial, issues resolved quickly. Here's the truth. One bad tenant can cost you £10,000 to £20,000 in lost rent, legal fees, and property damage. A professional agent massively reduces that risk, and they give you back your time. Remember, passive income is only passive if someone else is doing the work. Don't be pound-wise and time-foolish. Rule 4, refinance with the end in mind. This is where the magic happens. You bought low, you added value, you've got quality tenants in place. Now you go back to your mortgage broker with a simple question: what will you lend me against what this property is worth now? Here's a real example. Purchase price, £120,000. Refurb cost, £30,000. Total spend, £150,000. New valuation, £200,000. 75% loan. To value mortgage, £150,000. You've just recovered all your original capital while still owning an asset that's paying you every month. Now, sometimes you might leave a bit of capital in, say £10,000 to £20,000. Sometimes you get it all back. Sometimes, if you've added massive value, you can even pull out more than you put in. But the principle is always the same. You're recycling capital, not trapping it. This is what separates BRRRR from traditional buy-to-let. Buy-to-let locks your money away. BRRRR sets it free to work again, and again, and again. Rule 5, systems let you repeat. Anyone can do one BRRRR deal once. The real power comes from building a system. Here's what that looks like. Sourcing team bringing you vetted deals that match your criteria. Project managers overseeing refurbs from start to finish. Letting agents managing tenants and properties. Mortgage brokers handling all finance arrangements. Legal team managing compliance and contracts. Overarching strategy. So all the pieces work together towards your goal. When you have this in place, you can go from starting capital, £150,000 to 5+ properties, £1 million+ portfolio value, £4,000 to £6,000 monthly cash flow in roughly 18 to 24 months. Without sacrificing your career, your family time, or your sanity. This is how our clients build portfolios while still running their businesses, traveling internationally, living their lives. The system works while they sleep. That's the power of professional delegation. All right, here's a value bomb. I'm giving you a 5-minute deal checker you can use to evaluate any BRRRR opportunity. Before you commit to a deal, ask yourself these 5 questions. Question 1. Can I add at least 20 to 30% to the property value? If not, you're not adding enough value to make refinancing work. Question 2. Will the rent cover mortgage, management, maintenance, and give me a buffer? No buffer equals you're gambling, not investing. Question 3. Is there strong proven rental demand in this specific area? Don't guess. Check data. Talk to local agents. Question 4. After refinance, how much capital stays locked in? Aim to recover as much as possible. Ideally, 100%. Question 5. Does this move me closer to my long-term income and portfolio goals? Every deal should be strategic, not opportunistic. If you can't answer yes to all 5, move on. There will be another deal. Save this framework. Screenshot it. Use it every single time. It'll save you from expensive mistakes. Now let's talk about risks. Because BRRRR isn't magic. There are risks. Overestimating the end valuation, and your refurb doesn't add as much value as you thought. Underestimating refurb costs. What you thought was £20,000 becomes £35,000. Market changes mid-project. Property values drop while you're refurbishing voids or problem tenants. Empty properties or nightmare renters. Refinance falls through. Lender won't give you what you expected. These are real. Here's how professionals manage them. Conservative valuations. We assume lower valuations and multiple exit strategies. Detailed scoping. Fixed price contracts where possible. Contingency budgets always. Quality over speed. Refurbs that improve appeal, even in softer markets. Professional tenant screening. Proper checks, rent insurance, legal protection, pre-arranged finance, agreements in principle. Before starting work. The strategy isn't the risk. Amateur execution is the risk. When you have professionals managing each phase, risk drops dramatically. You're not guessing. You're not learning on the job. You're following a proven playbook. So who is this masterclass actually for? This blueprint is ideal if you have capital but limited time. You got £100,000 plus, but you're working 50 to 60 hours a week. Want structure over chaos? You prefer systems and professionals over trial and error. Think long-term? You're building wealth for the next 10 to 20 years, not flipping for quick cash. Value your time. You know, an hour of your time is worth more than the money you'd save doing it yourself? If you're just starting with £5,000 and no strategy, this is something to work toward. Build your capital first. But if you're sitting on 6-figure savings or equity doing almost nothing, if inflation is eating your cash while you wait for the right time, this is your wake-up call. At AssetForLife, we specialize in helping investors build hands-free BRRRR portfolios. We find the deals, we manage the refurbs, we set up the property management, we structure the finance, so you own the assets without owning another full-time job. If you found this masterclass valuable, smash that subscribe button. More deep dives coming. Drop a comment with your biggest B question. And if you're ready to explore building your own portfolio, links in the description. Stop waiting for perfect conditions. Start building the portfolio that compounds while you sleep. Let's go.